Hello everyone, it is Elle here and welcome to Elle's Place. Today, I'd like to share with you a quick DIY project that I created for my beauty room. If you'd like to see what I created, then just keep watching. To create this quick DIY project, I stopped at my local Walmart and picked up this beautiful black and white glass vase. And while I was there, I went over to the paint section and picked up this inexpensive can of black spray paint. Then I went over to my local Dollar Tree and I picked up this beautiful candle holder. Everyone has created something with these candle holders, and I thought this would be a great addition to my project. What I had on hand was some speckled glitter style tissue paper, along with some multicolored shredded paper that I was going to add to this project. Then I went to Michael's and picked up this beautiful set of pink roses. It was 70% off, guys, and it is the perfect addition to my beauty room. So all I simply did was I spray painted the candle holder black. Then I used E6000 glue and glued it to the black and white vase. And this is what it looks like, guys. So pretty, very simple, very easy. I then added the multicolor shredded paper to the bottom, put the floral arrangement in the inside, and to camouflage the stems, I added that speckled glitter type tissue paper. And here it is, guys. I put it right in my beauty room. I was so pleased with the outcome of this. I created another one. So guys, if you want to see the other one that I created, which is exactly the same, I would like to share with you guys some updates that I made to my beauty room. So if you'd like to see an updated beauty room tour, leave me a comment below. Just simply state, I would like to see the beauty room. So guys, that is it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, as well as subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.